Can this telescope see a galaxy a billion light years away? In the South Island of New Zealand, the sky is incredibly dark. Bortle 1 skies. The Milky Way shines brightly overhead every single night. And it got me wondering, because at the moment I don't have a particularly big telescope, I always figured, well, I can only see so far. And that is true. However, I'm wondering just how far I can see from Bortle 1 skies with a small telescope and a sensitive astronomy camera. So I propose a challenge. I'm going to try to take a photograph of a galaxy a billion light years away. Now, it's not going to be a pretty picture. It's going to be probably just a smudge on my camera sensor, but if I can see it, I'm going to take that as a win. So, can I do it? Can I see a galaxy 1 billion light years away with an 80mm? Come with me and we'll find out. The target, a galaxy called IC1101, the largest known galaxy in the universe, sitting about 1 billion light years away. This is going to be a real challenge to capture. I don't know if I'm going to be able to capture it. It's not going to be a pretty picture. I'm expecting even if I can capture it, it's going to be a little faint fuzzy blob. But if I can capture that faint fuzzy blob, that means I've captured photons of light that have traveled for 1 billion years, and that's good enough for me. The interesting thing about this galaxy is that not only is it 1 billion light years away, it is also the largest known galaxy in the observable universe. Hubble Space Telescope observed this galaxy, and well, I'm gonna try it as well with a tiny little telescope, but I think there's a chance. There's a chance I can get it in this pristine sky that I have here in the South Island of New Zealand. So I'm going to use a simple setup, just my 80mm refractor on a HEQ5 Pro tracking mount, using a good camera, which is the ASI 533 mono. I'm going to use monochrome because it's extra sensitive, and I'm going to need all that sensitivity. This galaxy is incredibly, unimaginably far away, and so I'm going to need all the sensitivity I can get to try to even see it. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see anything, but it's a cool experiment to see how far I can see. Can I do it, Pooh-chan? Can I photograph a galaxy 1 billion light years away? I'll take that as a maybe. Located just at the feet of Virgo, this target is nice and high in the sky for me at the moment. I'm going to do long exposures here, about 5 minutes per exposure, and I will do as many 5-minute shots as I can. Hopefully I'll get a couple of hours of exposure, and hopefully that will be enough. I'm going to shoot just monochrome, so just using my luminance filter, so no color, just to capture as much photons as possible. So here it is, the faint and fuzzy IC1101. I actually managed it. It may not look like much, but this is a galaxy 1 billion light years away. The light that we see here traveled for 1 billion years before reaching my little telescope. This just goes to show you what is possible from a dark sky. With a bigger telescope and a greater magnification, who knows what is possible. I will definitely have to try that again when I have a bigger telescope. So here we can see the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, a 2.5 meter telescope, compared to my image. Obviously the professional research telescope's a lot better, but we can see some similarities there, and I'm pretty impressed with what my little 80mm telescope has been able to do compared to this. Whilst I was waiting for this galaxy to rise high enough, I also tried a few other galaxies to test how far away I could see. And here are some of the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep looking up, keep engaging in astronomy. It's awesome. Space Goose out.